As you can see on the screen, I get more than $100 on YouTube every day. In the last 28 days, I have received more than 3,400 YouTube subscribers. In the last 90 days, I have received more than 9,100 subscribers. And in the last 365 days, I have received more than 41,800 subscribers. And in this video, I will show you 5 ways how I get more YouTube subscribers every single day, so you can do the same. If you don't know me before, I'm Roope Kiuttu from Finland. I'm the founder of a popular YouTube channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people every single day to make money online all around the world. And on this channel, Tube Journey to Freedom, and in my program that goes with the same name, I help people every single day to make money on YouTube. And today I will show you how to get more subscribers. I will show these 5 methods in an order that the longer you watch this video, the better methods you will get. Method number 1 is the least effective, and method number 5 is the most effective. And the first method how I get YouTube subscribers on YouTube is the following. When I meet new people on different places, they often ask me, what do you do for a living? And then of course I often mention my YouTube channel Learn to Make Honest Money Online, where I help people to earn money from home. And then those same people ask me, hey, what is the channel name? I want to check it out. And then they go to my YouTube channel and then they subscribe. And if they are interested in making money online, perhaps they even start watching my videos. And if you want to make this method more effective, you can print out small business cards and then you can hand them out for people so they can check them out, and perhaps their wife or their husband or somebody else that they meet will have a look, what is this business card? And then more and more people will start following you. Or if you are talking to that person and you have some time, perhaps you can hand by hand show that, hey, here is my YouTube channel, this is what I do, if it benefits you, go and subscribe. But this face-to-face method is not super effective, and it's not even necessary at all if you want to grow big on YouTube. There are 4 much more effective methods to get subscribers that we will go through right now, and the second one is social media. You can share your YouTube channel on different social media platforms, for example TikTok, Instagram, Wealthy Affiliate, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or whatever social media you like to use. Let me give you quick examples from my own life. The social media platform that I have used the most is called TikTok, and when people are using it on their mobile phone, they see here on your profile a small YouTube icon where you can put a direct link to your YouTube channel, so when people click it, they will come right here and then they will subscribe to your channel. And there are of course many ways how you can get more subscribers from YouTube. You can also put the subscribe link right here so people can directly click to subscribe to your channel. You can also create videos where you show your YouTube channel. You can see here I got more than 52,000 views when I showed my channels. And in many of my TikTok videos I have mentioned that if they want to make money, I show the steps here on my YouTube channel. So in total I estimate that I have received 1,000 subscribers for my channel directly from TikTok. Instagram I haven't used for a long time, but I still probably get some subscribers because I have put the link right here. I type here, I'll show you how to make money online, 1 new video every single day. Click below to see, so people who come to my profile are likely to click this one, and then it will take directly to my main channel so they can subscribe. And if you want to get more subscribers, you can of course publish on your Instagram any relevant stuff from your YouTube channel, and you can also create stories or Instagram reels where you give shoutouts for your channel, so all of your Instagram followers can also subscribe to your YouTube channel. Then on Wealthy Affiliate I also have here my links, and you can see here the 3rd link is for YouTube. If you don't know what is Wealthy Affiliate, it's the place where I originally went from a complete beginner to making a life-changing income online. I will leave you a link in the description below the video where you can learn more about it. This is also kind of like a social media, because you can see that I have more than 62,000 followers here on Wealthy Affiliate. But as you noticed, at the moment of recording this video, I'm not using social medias so much. There are 3 other ways how I get much more subscribers than from social media, and one of those platforms is called Udemy. At the moment of recording this video, I have more than 575,000 students on Udemy, and there I help people also to make money online. You can see that I'm hosting more than 23 courses on Udemy at the moment, and probably even more when you are watching this video. But now you're wondering, how do people come from Udemy to YouTube. And there are at least 3 different ways how it happens. The first way how people see you on YouTube is of course through the content, and in the last section you can put this bonus lecture, and here you can put promotional content. So I sometimes may put a link to my YouTube channel right there, and also on other parts of the content. For example, here I teach 10 ways to earn more money on YouTube and how I have got millions of different views on YouTube. So often I show examples from my own channel, Learn to Make Honest Money Online, so then people start researching and they also end up following me on YouTube. And then of course educational emails, because on Udemy every single month you can send 4 educational emails to your students. Since my Udemy students are interested in making money online, I often send educational videos from my YouTube channel that will help them further. However, there are still 2 other methods that I use to get much more subscribers than any of those previous 3 methods. And the next method is called email marketing. I use a tool called Aweber, but of course there are many other great email marketing tools such as ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, or whatever email marketing software you want to use. And I collect an email list of people who are interested in making money online, and then I send emails for them either manually by typing on my keyboard or automatically with the system, and then they will automatically come into my YouTube channel, and then they will see my videos and they will subscribe. And now the big question is of course, how do I get people to subscribe to my email list? There are several different ways, but let me just mention a few of them. One is of course the social media, so I can put different links here on social media platforms, and then they can go and sign up to my email list. The other one is my blog or website or onlinerevenue.com. However, nowadays I don't publish it so much, so I don't get so many subscribers from this channel. But you notice that, for example, here I'm collecting email address on the right hand side, and also here 7-day email course to make money online. And if people scroll even below, they will see another opt-in right here where I will get an email. And the idea is that you give something for people in return for their email addresses. For example, on my main channel I often share this ultimate Bitcoin guide where people get more than 20 apps to start making money right now, and even thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. So then I may create a video how to get cryptocurrency for free, 20 best Bitcoin earning apps, and then I leave a link right here. And many people who see this video, they may not yet be subscribed, they simply find this from different channels, and then they click here, they come to this page, and when they click this one, they get my free guide where they learn to earn money for free. And if they want to see the tutorials, they will come back to my Learn to Make Honest Money Online channel, where they will then subscribe and learn to make money step by step. Another guide that I share often for free is this Easy Money Apps guide, where I show 15 easy money apps to start making money online, and I also give $1, $3, $5 bonuses for people who get it. So here is an email opt-in. When people take it, they will start getting emails and tutorials where they will learn to make money. And these are great for getting people back to your channel, because oftentimes there may be people who find you on YouTube and then they see maybe 1 or 2 videos and they forget to subscribe, and then they forget your channel. But if you have their email address, you can send them an email and remind that, hey, here is the next video that you might like, here I show this and that, and then they come back to your channel and they watch more and more of your videos, and they benefit more, you get more views, and everybody wins. That being said, I still have one method left how I get more subscribers than any of those 4 methods put together. So this is going to be ultra powerful, but so far if you are liking this video, show some love, smash up the like button and share this video with your friends who like to get more subscribers and make money on YouTube, so we can help your friends as well. My main method for getting more subscribers on YouTube is targeting keywords. Let me show you what it means. Many people come to YouTube and then they are searching something here on the YouTube search. And my goal is that when they search certain things on YouTube, my video will pop up. Let me give you an example. Many people are searching how to earn money online without investment. So let's search for that one, and you can see that my video shows up right here, how to earn $500 a day without investment. And when people click it, they will come immediately into this video where I show step by step how I earn more than $500 a day with this program. You can see $15,391 in just 1 month for 100% free without any investment. And then of course, because they are searching how to earn money online without investment, this is perfect for them, because here I saw how they can also earn money for free. So of course many people are going to subscribe because this video answers for their needs. Let's take another example. Here on this video I'm targeting how to make $1,000 a day online copy pasting links, and I give examples from my own life when I made more than $1,496 with just one website copy pasting links. And then I gave an example from another website where I earned $3,000 in 1 day copy pasting links. So again, many people search for this on YouTube. Some of them will end up watching my video and they will subscribe because this video will help them to do that. And those people who want to earn just a little bit of money easily, I'm targeting videos, for example, how to earn $5 a day online. So here I saw 7 easy ways to make $5 a day, and when people search for these things, this video will show up. It will help them to earn that $5 a day, and then they subscribe because they realize this helps them to earn money from home. Now, if you want to learn my automated YouTube money making system more in detail, come to see the other videos on my YouTube channel Tube Journey to Freedom. And if you want to see everything step by step from zero to making a life-changing income on YouTube, I invite you to my program Tube Journey to Freedom, where I will show you everything you need to know. First, building your successful channel, creating and publishing and optimizing your YouTube videos. And here we start going through how to monetize, making money with your channel with one-click strategy, earn money on YouTube, how to get paid even before creating videos, the best way to earn $100,000 a year on YouTube, and much, much more. So you and me, my friend, we are immediately going to see inside Tube Journey to Freedom.